Hello, my name is Catherine Farrell, and today I'm going to talk about the ancient Roman aqueducts. The Roman Empire was one of the first ancient civilizations with an advanced public health system. This was developed for several reasons: distrust towards Grecian doctors, the need for hygienic conditions for soldiers, and the utilization of Rome's engineering capabilities. Their emphasis on public health was shown by their creation of bathhouses, sewage, and most importantly, their aqueducts. Aqueducts are composed of stone, brick, and puzzolana, a type of volcanic rock. Aqueducts were rooted from springs and transported miles to cities. They were created to address the issues faced regarding the transfer of water through valleys and in order to address the urbanization and rapid increase of the Roman population. Aqueducts were constructed by paid laborers, slaves, and legions who were responsible for expanding the Roman Empire. With aqueducts, the Romans were able to supply 200 cities with water. Though the most iconic portions of the aqueducts are the external, towering arches, a majority of the aqueducts are located underground. In fact, of the 260 miles of aqueducts, 230 of them are below the earth. In total, there were 11 aqueducts constructed. These typically ran adjacent to the roads. For example, the first aqueduct, Aqua Appia, was built in 312 BC along the southern road Via Appia. Throughout the 500 years, 10 more aqueducts were built, the longest one being Aqua Novus that ran 59 miles long. The final aqueduct constructed was the Aqua Alexandrina in 226 AD, leading to Rome. The construction of this elaborate water system was a major testament to the Romans' engineering abilities. Aqueducts operated largely without pumps and depended heavily on gravity to maintain water flow. An instrument called a courbate was used by builders to check the horizontal level of the aqueduct while constructing it. Upon extracting water from springs, the aqueducts carried the water through a filtration system until reaching the city where the water was stored in a castellum for distribution to baths, fountains, or private houses. Lead pipes were used, despite the Romans' general awareness of lead poisoning. It's theorized that the high concentration of minerals in the water collected would often form a mineralized layer surrounding the lead pipes and counteracting some of the effects of the lead poisoning. Aqueducts became an invaluable part of Roman society, playing a huge role in industry, agriculture, and public health. However, they also contributed to their downfall by becoming targets of invading Germanic tribes during their invasion. At one point, the only functioning aqueduct was Aqua Virgo, which was completely underground after all the other aqueducts were destroyed by Germanic tribes.